if you just activated on the $25 Kickstart plan available from Best Buy from my previous video. First of all, congratulations. I hope you enjoy the incredible deal. In this video, I'm showing you how to transfer your phone number and your active phone from potentially either the phone you purchased at Best Buy or a previous phone to a Pixel 4 device on eSIM. So let's get into it. You can see this is my Sprint account here. Actually, the way you want to start is by going into the settings on your Pixel 4. You're going to go to settings, network and internet, mobile network, and then download a SIM instead. And we're going to tap next, and it's just going to connect us to our Wi-Fi network, and it's going to check our network info. Next, you're going to confirm your network. In our case, we're using Sprint on the $25 Kickstart plan, so I'm going to tap Sprint, and I'm going to tap OK. Now we're going to log into our Sprint account using our phone number and PIN, and then tap Sign In. Sprint is going to send us a verification code, so I'm going to tap Send Code, and then you're just going to enter the code when it comes in. You can see the verification code came in on the other device, so I'm just going to enter that. Now you're going to choose a number to swap. In my case, I only have one number on my account, so I'm going to tap it to confirm, and then tap Swap Number. Now you're just going to wait a minute or two while your service is set up. And that's it. Your number has successfully transferred to your Pixel 4 or Pixel 4 XL and activated on eSIM. So tap Done. You can now see my mobile network is Sprint, and here it will give me all the data usage. I can enable features like voice over LTE, and I believe this also has Wi-Fi calling as well. And with that done, you're all set. Features such as cellular data, making and receiving phone calls, and of course group and picture messaging should all work without any issues. And that's it. That is how you activate your Pixel 4 on eSIM and transfer your Sprint Kickstart plan to your Pixel 4 device. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more videos like this one.